Good morning, everyone. It is a privilege for me to talk to you today about one of the oldest and most important and noble profession, which is teaching. To many, teaching is not merely a profession, it is a vocation that carries with it the immense responsibility of shaping young minds and nurturing character. The importance of teachers in our lives cannot be overstated, for their impact is felt for years to come. Teaching does not only involve imparting lessons from a textbook. It is a tool to awaken curiosity, ignite imagination, and inspire children in the pursuit of excellence. Knowledge in itself can go unutilized. It is a teacher who breathes life into it, making it meaningful and relevant to the learner. Teachers provide children not only with the tools to read and calculate, but also with the capacity to think critically, to reason with clarity, and to view the world through lenses of empathy and understanding. It is no wonder that teachers are often referred to as architects of society. They are the first point of contact a child has outside of family, and with time, they spend hours shaping the thought processes, imagination, and views of growing minds. Teachers play a vital role in a child's formative years. They determine how to instill in children values of perseverance, adaptability, and resilience, all of which form the building blocks of a child's character and growth. Another important hack that teachers don is that of building a child's confidence. In moments when children may falter, it is the teacher's belief in their potential that rekindles hope. A good teacher awakens the learner's belief in themselves, helping them discover their strengths and talents. In today's world of rapid change and endless information, the role of teachers is more vital than ever before. Technology can deliver data, but only a teacher can cultivate the ability to imbibe this data with responsibility. The human connection that a teacher brings with compassion, patience, and encouragement cannot be replicated by any device or program. This human touch helps keep children grounded and in touch with their roots. If we look back on our own journeys, most of us will recall not just what we learned, but also who taught us. Each of us would remember a few teachers who specifically played an important role in helping us becoming who we are today. This is why it is always a nice gesture to acknowledge and appreciate our teachers and to honor them in the foundation of our process. In the end, I would just like to say that we all carry a part of our teachers within us, and that is the legacy that truly shapes who we become. Have a good day. Thank you.